So 10 into 15 by 10 plus 15, 25. 5 fives, 5 threes. 5 ones, 5 twos. Answer 6. This is the answer. Shortcut one. This is the shortcut one. Okay. Chalo, next one. A and B and most important model. Most important model. Yeah. Don't do neglect. Okay. A and B undertake to do a piece of work for 600 rupees. A can do it in 6 days, while B alone can do it in 3 days. Find the share of A and find C's work. Find the share of A and find C's work. Find the share of A. Yeah. Okay. I'll tell. Don't worry. Right. So here, the total amount is 600 rupees. You just write, ma. You just write yourself here. Yeah. So here, A can do it in 6 days. A can do it in 6 days, while B alone can do it in 8 days. With the help of C, A plus B plus C is 3 days. Clear? Find the share of A, find the share of A, and find C's work. Find C's work. Simple, ma. Simple, ma. So here we know the value of A, B, as well as A plus B plus C minus A minus B. Okay, so this one by 3. A plus B plus C is 1 day's work. 1 by 3, right? 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8. So this is A plus B plus C. First one is A plus B plus C. So this one is minus A and this one is minus B. Okay, plus A plus B minus B cancel. Next, C is 1 day's work. C is 1 day's work is equal LCM of 3, 6, 8, 24, right? 8 minus, so 8 minus 7 by 24. So that is equal to 1 by 24. So C's 1 day's work is 1 by 24. C's 1 day's work is 1 by 24. So A's 1 day's work is 1 by 6. 1 by 6. B's 1 day's work is 1 by 8. So C's 1 day's work is 1 by 24. Now convert it into ratios. Okay, so LCM is 24. So denominator value 24. Okay, numerator value 4, 3, 1. Okay, now so 4 is to 3 is to 1. So here the ratio is 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 7, 8 parts. 8 parts value, what is the total amount? 600 rupees. Then what is the value of 1 part? So 1 into 600 divided by 8. 75. He is asking about A's share, 4 parts. 1 part value 75, 4 parts value 4 into 75, 300. 300. This is the answer. A receives 300 rupees and C's 1 day's work is 1 by 24. Any doubt? Important question. Doubts? Clear? Yeah, please respond. Yeah, very good. Okay. Okay. Simple. A can finish work in 6 days. B can do it in 8 days. A plus B plus C in 3 days. Clear? 1 by 3 minus A value minus B value. We'll get C value. So that is 1 by 24. So this is about 1 day work. Clear? So 1 by 6 for 24. So here numerator value 431. So 4 is to 3 is to 1. 8 parts value. Total how many parts? 8 parts. 8 parts value. So A is how many parts? 4 parts. 4 into 17 300. A receives 300. Which one, ma? This one? First one? Someone asked out. Simple, ma? So here 8 to B by A plus B. So 10 into 15 by 10 plus 15, 25. 5 threes, 5 fives, 5 ones, 5 twos. Answer 6 days. Answer 6 days. I'll give 30 seconds time for this one. 30 seconds time. Yeah, please respond. Yeah, I'll tell. Rohit, don't worry. Same model. Okay, I'll tell. Here we have in the slide. Yeah, don't worry, I'll explain. Clear? Chalo, now do it, ma. A man sells 2 flats at the rate of 1.995 lakhs each. On one, he gains 5% and the other he loses. Okay, answer? It is an important one. Already we discussed, ma. Already we discussed. So here, what is the keyword? Selling price, not cost price. If the selling price is constant, what is the formula? What is the shortcut? So if the cost price is same, no profit, no loss. If the cost price is same, X% profit on one article, X% loss on another article. So here selling price ma SP1 is equal to SP2, X% profit on one article and X% loss on another article. So always will get profit or loss. Loss is equal to X square by 100. So that is equal, what is X value? 5%. 5 square by 100. That is equal to 25 by 100. So 0.25 percentage loss. 0.25 percentage loss. Very good, very good, very good. Vamshi Yadav, Harshita. Super, very good, good. Next question, next one. Miles, kilometers, both are MKS units, MKS. Meters, seconds, CGS. No need to convert miles to kilometers. No need to convert miles to kilometers. Miles, kilometers, both are same here. Those two are MKS units. No need to worry miles. No need to worry about miles. Chalo, do it fast. Yeah. Speed is the distance by time. So here, a train traveling at a speed of 75 kilometers per hour enter into a tunnel 1 by 4 mile long. Okay. So here we know the value of A and B. So A is equal to 3.4 miles. 1 by 4 miles. Okay. How long does it take for the train to pass through the tunnel from the moment? Yeah, Ritma.